Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna jump right in this video because I was doing laundry and something really unfortunate happened to me. Let me show you guys. This happened, like, what the hell? This hasn't happened to me in a very long time. I guess that's why I didn't think about tying this thing into a knot. We're gonna try to fix this. Okay, you guys, so we are going to try to fix this, and I'm gonna show you this old technique that my mom taught me like years ago. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And we are gonna get this, and we're gonna get started with this video. So in this video, pretty much we are going to need only one thing. We are going to need a safety pin. So I brought two just in case because I don't know which size will fit. So I don't want to do this, but okay. So the first step is we're gonna put it through the shoe. I guess this is like a shoelace, isn't it? Whatever this is. And then we are going to secure it. Okay, and then we're gonna put it into the hole. And all we're gonna do is, I don't know if you guys can see me, push and you pull, and then you push and then you pull, and then you push. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing, and then you pull. Okay, so all we do is, so this is where the safety pin is at. We're gonna, oh shit, I thought it had open. Oh my god, I was so scared. So we're gonna push and then we pull, we push and then we pull. So pretty much we're gonna do the same step all around this waistband. And I remember, like, back then I used to hate doing this. I'm so sorry. So I remember I used to hate doing this, but I'm so glad that I paid attention because now this saved my butt. We're gonna just keep doing that. I hope this bobby pin doesn't open because that means I'm gonna have to start all over again, and I don't want to do that. Oh my god, it is so hot right now. Like, I am not a summer girl like I mentioned in my previous videos. Right now it is so hot, like so hot. I just want to be indoors. That's all I want to do. Okay, so we're more than halfway done, which is awesome. My thighs are like sweating. This type of weather reminds me of when I used to go a lot to Palm Springs. My mom used to go often because she used to love to play in the casinos, and since she would go often, she would often get like room deals. So we would spend the weekend out there, and I mean, it was nice, but the weather, man, the weather was killing me. Okay, so we're almost done, you see? So now we just pop it on this side and we just pull. So you're just gonna pull, and this is how you fix the drawstring. You see, you guys, that was so easy. And now you just remove the safety pin and you're good to go. So next time if you don't want it to happen, just tie like a small knot. Let me know if I was able to help you with this issue. If you ever come across this issue, now you know how to solve this. It's easy, just with the safety pin.